Most men begin semen retention expecting instant transformation. They think a few days of discipline will suddenly make them confident, focused, and magnetic overnight. But the truth is, the real changes happen in stages. And the difference between 30 days and 90 days is far deeper than most people realize. Because the longer you stay disciplined, the more your mind, body, and energy begin rebuilding themselves from the inside out. The first 30 days are usually chaotic. Your brain is still heavily attached to stimulation, instant gratification, and impulsive behavior. Urges feel intense. Your mind constantly tries pulling you back into old habits. Some days you feel motivated. Other days you feel mentally exhausted. This happens because your nervous system is adjusting to the absence of constant dopamine spikes. During the first month, many men experience sudden bursts of energy. Your body begins feeling more awake. You may feel increased motivation, stronger gym performance, or more confidence temporarily. But emotionally, you're still unstable. Your discipline is still fragile because your brain hasn't fully adapted yet. One difficult day can still throw you completely off track. At 30 days, your focus starts improving slightly. Brain fog becomes lighter. Your attention span feels stronger. You may notice better eye contact and more motivation to improve yourself. But internally, your mind is still fighting between discipline and temptation constantly. The old version of you is still alive psychologically. Another thing many men notice during the first 30 days is increased emotional sensitivity. Without constant stimulation numbing your emotions, unresolved feelings begin surfacing. Anxiety, loneliness, insecurity, frustration, all of it becomes more visible. And many people mistake this for failure, when in reality, it's part of the reset process. Women may also begin reacting differently around this stage. Your energy starts feeling less desperate because you're no longer constantly chasing stimulation mentally. Your eye contact improves. Your confidence becomes slightly calmer. But at 30 days, most of these changes are still inconsistent because your emotional state fluctuates heavily. Now compare that to 90 days. By 90 days, retention stops feeling like a challenge, and starts becoming part of your identity. Your nervous system becomes calmer. Your thoughts become clearer. Your emotions stabilize. And for the first time in years, your energy begins feeling internally grounded instead of scattered. One of the biggest differences at 90 days is emotional control. At 30 days, your emotions still control you frequently. But by 90 days, you begin responding instead of reacting. Situations that once triggered anxiety or impulsiveness suddenly feel manageable. Your patience increases. Your calmness becomes more natural. Your confidence at 90 days also feels completely different. At 30 days, confidence often comes in emotional spikes. You feel powerful one day and weak the next. But by 90 days, confidence becomes quieter and more stable. You stop needing constant reassurance because your self-respect starts rebuilding internally. Another major difference is your relationship with women. At 30 days, you may still obsess over attention, attraction, and validation subconsciously. But by 90 days, your mindset begins shifting. You stop placing women at the center of your emotional world. And ironically, this emotional independence often makes your presence more attractive naturally. Your aura also changes more deeply at 90 days. People begin noticing your calmness, your focus, and your energy without understanding why. Your presence feels heavier because your attention is no longer scattered constantly. Eye contact becomes easier. Silence becomes comfortable. Conversations feel more grounded. Physically, the difference becomes visible too. At 30 days, you may feel more energized temporarily. But at 90 days, your posture, facial expression, body language, and overall presence begin changing more consistently. Stress levels decrease. Your face often appears calmer. Your movements become more controlled. Another huge difference is discipline itself. At 30 days, discipline still feels forced. You constantly battle urges mentally. But by 90 days, your brain slowly begins adapting to delayed gratification. Self-control becomes more natural because your identity starts changing. You no longer feel like someone trying retention, you begin becoming a disciplined man. Your productivity also transforms more significantly at 90 days. Energy that was once consumed by impulsive habits begins redirecting toward goals, fitness, learning, business, creativity, and purpose. This is why many men describe feeling reborn after longer periods of discipline. Their energy finally has direction. And ultimately, the biggest difference between 30 days and 90 days is this. 30 days begins the reset. But 90 days begins the rebuild. At 30 days, you're fighting your old self. At 90 days, you're slowly becoming someone new. Because long-term semen retention is not just about resisting urges. It's about transforming your entire mind, energy, and identity through discipline. Another major difference between 30 days and 90 days is mental discipline. At 30 days, your mind still craves shortcuts constantly. You still battle urges to escape discomfort through distraction and stimulation. But by 90 days, your brain begins adapting to delayed gratification. You become more patient, more focused, more capable of staying committed to difficult goals without constantly needing instant rewards. At 30 days, motivation often comes and goes emotionally. Some mornings you feel unstoppable, and other days you feel drained or frustrated. But at 90 days, your energy becomes more stable because your nervous system is no longer constantly swinging between dopamine highs and crashes. Your mood becomes calmer and less reactive overall. Women also begin responding differently at 90 days because your behavior subtly changes. At 30 days, you may still unconsciously seek validation through attention, texting, flirting, or approval. But by 90 days, your energy feels less needy. Your attention becomes more intentional. Your calmness creates more tension naturally because you stop chasing reactions from others constantly. Another powerful difference is your relationship with loneliness. During the first 30 days, solitude often feels painful because your mind still depends heavily on stimulation for comfort. But around 90 days, many men begin feeling more peaceful alone. Silence becomes easier. You stop needing constant entertainment just to avoid your own thoughts. And that emotional independence becomes extremely powerful psychologically. At 90 days, your body language also becomes noticeably different. You stand more grounded. Your movements slow down. Your eye contact feels steadier. Even your breathing becomes calmer because your nervous system is more regulated. Most people don't realize how much inner discipline changes physical presence until they experience it themselves. Another hidden transformation is your ability to handle stress. At 30 days, stressful situations can still overwhelm you emotionally because your mind is adjusting. But by 90 days, your reactions begin slowing down. You stop panicking over small problems. Your mind stays clearer under pressure. And this calmness creates a stronger masculine presence naturally. Your focus on purpose also becomes stronger at 90 days. During the first month, much of your energy is spent simply resisting urges. But after longer periods of retention, that same energy starts redirecting itself toward ambition, fitness, creativity, business, learning, and self-improvement. Your life begins feeling more intentional instead of impulsive. Another difference is self-respect. At 30 days, you feel proud for staying disciplined, but your confidence still feels fragile. By 90 days, your mind begins trusting you more deeply because you've consistently kept promises to yourself for months. And self-trust changes everything. It creates a confidence that doesn't depend entirely on outside validation anymore. You also become more aware of how overstimulated modern life really is. By 90 days, excessive scrolling, meaningless conversations, and constant distractions begin feeling draining instead of entertaining. Your standards rise naturally because your mind becomes more sensitive to energy, focus, and emotional stability. And eventually, you realize something important. 30 days gives you a glimpse of your potential. But 90 days begins unlocking your transformation. Because real change does not happen overnight. It happens when discipline becomes consistent. When your nervous system becomes calmer. When your focus becomes stronger. And when your energy stops being controlled by impulses. That is when a man truly starts rebuilding himself. Your relationship with discipline also becomes deeper. In the beginning, retention feels mostly about resisting urges. But by 90 days, you realize the real battle was never only physical, it was mental. It was about controlling your attention, your emotions, your habits, and your impulses. And once you begin mastering those areas, your entire life starts changing beyond retention itself. Another huge difference is emotional independence. At 30 days, loneliness can still feel overwhelming because your brain seeks comfort through external stimulation. But by 90 days, you become more comfortable within yourself. You stop needing constant validation to feel valuable. And emotional independence creates a calm confidence that people immediately notice. Your standards and relationships also rise significantly. You stop chasing shallow attention or emotionally draining situations. You become more selective about who receives your energy because your focus becomes more intentional. This naturally changes the type of people you attract into your life. At 90 days, even your silence changes. During the first month, silence may still feel awkward because your mind constantly seeks reassurance. But after longer periods of discipline, silence becomes peaceful. You stop feeling pressure to impress everyone through words. And that quiet self-control creates a stronger aura than loud behavior ever could.